China's top legislature on Wednesday adopted a law to protect the fragile ecosystem of the Qinghai Tibet Plateau, known as the Roof of the World. The law passed at a standing committee session of the National People's Congress. The top legislature will take effect on September 1st. The law on ecological conservation on the Qinghai Tibet Plateau is a new addition to China's laws for special regions, following the enactment of the Yangtze River Protection Law, the Yellow River Protection Law, and the Black Soil Protection Law. However, the significance of the new law goes far beyond the plateau region.
青藏高原保有大面积较为原始的高寒生态系统，只有守护好这一活水源头，良好的生态环境才能成为高原百姓最普惠的福祉。生态文明建设必须依靠制度和法律，坚持尊重自然、顺应自然、保护自然，将生态保护放在区域发展的重要位置，才能让绿水青山真正成为金山银山。
The Qinghai Tibet Plateau, with an area of around 2.58 million square kilometers, spans 6 provincial-level regions in western China. It is the source of several major rivers of Asia, such as the Yangtze, Yellow, and Mekong rivers, which combine to nourish around 3 billion people. The law outlines the overall layout of the plateau ecology security, stipulates protection and restoration measures, risk prevention and control, and safeguards and supervision. The draft law entered its second reading late last year with enhanced provisions on preserving biodiversity. It underscored the protection of snow-capped mountains, glaciers, and frozen soil upon beginning the third reading.